Guys, in general, reopening trade, getting a bounce back. Energy's up almost 2%. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Morning, Bob.
Yeah, sort of a flattish day. Energy is the big mover. Let's take a look at the sectors, but it's not really the sectors that are important. It's the bank earnings and, of course, COINBASE that matters here. Energy up, as Carl mentioned, materials, industrials, tech on the flat side. But as I said, the key story here is just, number one, those bank earnings. And I'm talking like eye-popping numbers. We 80% above estimates for Goldman Sachs, more than 50, 60% for JPMorgan and Wells Fargo. These are numbers. And the trading numbers were astonishing. Just let me show you Goldman Sachs' trading numbers here. $3.89 billion on fixed income, $3.69 billion on equities. That's those equity numbers. That's 50% higher than the analyst estimates. The fixed income was 30% higher. These are really eye-popping numbers. Here's the problem I've got with all these astonishingly great numbers. It's hard to move the stocks these days. You've got peak earnings revisions. They've been estimating the numbers are up, and this obviously is a good number. But we've got peak monetary stimulus, peak fiscal stimulus. A lot of people are worried, like, how are you going to move the stocks forward? And here you see this sort of modest move in Goldman with these amazing numbers. What happens when everybody else reports numbers that are good, but everybody goes, it's going to be hard to move the market? That's the big issue for earnings season. I'll have more to say to that as we get into the heart of earnings season. But if you look at the volumes, too, on trading, they've been going down. March was lower than February, and April is so far has been lower than March here. Cash equities down about 28% for the volumes. And again, we're only halfway through. But equity options, as you see here, down 13%. You see these numbers to the downside. So a lot of the retail crescendo has already happened here. Everything else is about COINBASE today. Obviously, it's going to take a while to get this thing going on over at the Nasdaq. But you see these numbers here, the reference price here of $250. Everyone think we're going to open much, much higher. And that value, $65 billion. That's ICE. That's the New York Stock Exchange and ICE right now. Amazing valuation here. A lot of people think it'll open, close to $100 billion value. And when you're at $100 billion, you're in a pretty rarefied territory, folks. There's only 80, 82, 3 companies in the S&P 500 with a valuation above $100 billion. So essentially, you're dealing with Target and Micron, and Goldman Sachs is right around there, and General Electric is right around there, and BlackRock. Why am I bringing this up? Because it's possible COINBASE could open right here in a valuation, right in the company of these famous companies that exist. This is a mind-boggling valuation. It's hard to kind of get your head around the whole thing. Finally, I just want to note here, we've been waiting for a long time for Gary Gensler to be appointed the SEC chair. That's going to happen today. It's pretty pro forma. The Senate will vote on this at 11:45 a.m., and he's got a lot on his plate, and a lot of it is crypto. For him to deal with. He's going to have to deal with the Bitcoin ETF to approve it or not. It's been rejected time and again. This may be the year. We'll talk more about that. He's going to be very involved in regulations for crypto and fraud protection. He's made that very clear. We've got that GameStop fallout. I think there'll be a lot of discussion around particularly short sale disclosure and whether we should have one. A lot of people say it's time to do that, and GameStop was a good reason for that. And the Archegos fallout, David was talking earlier, there's going to be a lot closer look at regulations potentially for family offices, because that's what Archegos was. And, of course, there was no registration, and there's going to be a lot of talk about doing something like that. And finally, of course, ESG, environmental, social, and governance. A lot of discussion on climate change. That's already been made very clear under Allison Heron-Lee, who was has been running things while he's been waiting for his confirmation. Of course, all about how corporate actions may be affecting the climate. A lot on Gary Gensler's plate. But as of today, late today, he should be the SEC chairman.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.